Yeah, well, let's go ahead and pick that up. Now, notice I have not done the latch yet or the chains. We will bring the camera over here and show you what all is going on under there. Because I saw a video on YouTube, I guess it was last night, where someone was hooking their chains up to their tow vehicle. As you can see, yep, I have tow chains and I have clips in here that I can use to adjust the length of my tow chains. Alright, now, like I said, the trailer hitch is a 2-inch. Now, let's look up under here. Now, this right here, this piece right here, I don't know if we can, anyway, this piece right here is what latches around the ball. Now, we need to make sure that the ball is securely in see? Now, this piece under here is now clipped up under the bottom of the ball to hold it in place. Now, the ball will allow this to rotate back around and around and not go back and forth or side to side. That's what this is for. I prefer these things to stay in place. Now, a lot of people just use a little clip like this one right there. I prefer that thing is not going to be able to be undone easily. Yes, someone can cut the lock. Now, over here, I have a 7-pin connector. Now, granted, these are blades, they're not actual pins. And I have an adapter to go to a 4-pin. This operates the lights on the trailer. Now, if I had a trailer that had electric brakes on it, I wouldn't need this. I'd already have a 7-pin plug to go in there. Now, let's go ahead and get the chains attached. Now, I have a locking pin to hold this in place. Now, a lot of people are saying, oh no, no. You cross your chains like so that in case this comes off the ball, the chains will catch it and hopefully keep it from dragging. Obviously, you want to make sure your chains are not going to drag on the ground, creating sparks, especially as it is rather dry around here. Now, this is my light plug. And this goes on here to operate my stoplight and my turn signals. So, we have attached this. We don't need back gate of the car open. But you know what?